Let's build the joy house. Help me build joy house. Oh my God. Stretching. Stretch your back. Stretch your back. Good for your backs. 4 kicks with the left leg. 1. Put your foot 2, 3, and 4. You're not practicing. Get your legs up. 2 legs up together. Show me up. You're not working. No gymnastics unless you do the work. What do we say? No fun until our work is done. Let's do flex and point. Go. Flex and point. Flex and point. We do this in gymnastics. We flex and point. Legs down. Legs up. Come on, guys. Legs down. Legs up. Open. Toes on the floor. Stretch those legs. Toes on the floor. Yeah, let's do hips up. Hips up. Hips down. Hips up. Hips down. Hips up. Hold it up. Up, 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 up. Squeeze your butt. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Tight, tight, tight. Higher. Get it up high. High, 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 high. Okay. And roll. Rock. And roll. You know this step? Okay, let's do head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. To the stretching. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Over here. Sing it. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Show me your swimming legs in the water. Tummy's tight. Swimming legs in the water. Who can show me a candlestick? Alright, good legs. Over your head. Rock and roll. Rock and roll. Rock